Happy Wednesday to everyone. So yes, y'all see we're going to do some hair maintenance. Oh, my hair feels good. So we're going to go ahead and get that oiled up. I'm loving my locks and my locks are loving me. Y'all, I'll be 10 years locked. I'll be 10 years locked in September. So what we are using tonight is our African Pride, okay? Our African Pride Olive Miracle Oil. So it also is tea tree oil in here as well. So we have olive and tea tree growth oil treatment. Yes, I love this. So uses a hot oil treatment. And I'm going to be sleeping tonight with my satin bonnet. And y'all, when y'all taking care of your hair, moisturizing it, make sure you give yourself your scalp a good massage. Help that blood flow and that hair to grow. Oh, you want a good hair growth? This is it right here. Olive oil and tea tree oil, because it make your hair nice and strong and healthy, and which prevents breakage, so you're going to have long, healthy hair. This is it, how you do it. Now, olive oil, tea tree oils. Do y'all remember the Kimi oil back in the day? Like in the 90s. I remember when I was in undergrad at Cookman, back in the 90s, Kimi oil. They still sell it, but I don't know if anybody is using it. But Kimi oil, I'm gonna look that up on Amazon. Kimi oil, cause we did our hair. We was using them bumper curlers, and we wore our natural hair back in them days. If we had some fake hair in our head, it was just a little strip. It was just a piece. But they wearing the whole darn wig now. But do your thing, girlies. Do your thing. I ain't hating. But yeah, that Kimi oil, and we will have our bumper curlers and flat irons. Some of us was wearing our deep waves and scrunch at the top. Scrunch. Oh, this feels so good to my hair. Y'all make sure y'all massage it good. So y'all, let's get this chat going. Tell me, what are y'all using in your hair? And is it helping your hair to grow? Is it giving you the results that you want? Mine is, you can never go wrong with olive oil to color the hair. Never. And when I wear my satin bonnet, it does something different to my hair, which is a good thing. Now, we'll do this again on Friday night. On Friday night. Okay. Now, okay, I got to find I can't wear this one. Y'all, it's full of oil, but that's to be expected. Okay, let's see if I can put all this hair up. Well, I know I can eventually. Y'all, I also have the tube. I do have the tube. I haven't worn the tube in a while. I haven't, so I need to start wearing, you know, the lock tube, the dreadlocks tube, the long dreadlocks. Yeah, I'm gonna wear my pink satin bonnet. I'm going to get me some more of these. I like them. My hair loves them too. I'm going to get some more of these. Okay, these are tubes as well. These are tubes. And once you have worn them for a while, you know, they loosen up. Yeah. Now, you could purchase this. You could purchase this online on Amazon. And I believe I have this on my Amazon storefront. I'm going to check and see. And if it's not on there, I will put this oil on there for you. Okay. So shop my Amazon storefront and follow my Amazon storefront. I got some goodies that I know that you will like. Okay, so let's see what else I have. Olive oil. Okay, I actually have everything olive oil for my hair. No joke, no joke. Okay. Olive oil. This is the Nourishing Sheen Spray infused with coconut oil for restorative shine. I ordered this from Amazon. And this is the olive oil or oil moisturizing hair lotion. Now I just a drop in this. Now it comes, when I was on Amazon, I found some that was in a jar instead of trying to squeeze it out of this tube. And you would rather have it in the jar because this is real thick, like a pudding like. And so it's hard to squeeze out because there's some left and I have to do it like that. Yeah, so I'm going to get the jar the next time. Next week, I will get the jar. So we have all of this strengthening. So we got healthy hair over here. Nice and long. Y'all know my hair is all the way down to my derriere. Yeah. Everything olive oil. Everything is olive oil. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And I'm going to put all the links into the description box. Thanks for watching.